As we know, most used LCD can be recycled. Once the LCD display is good, the used LCD still has some value. The value of LCD depends on its quality. The good original LCD are most valuable in the market. When collecting the LCD, we must test them first. How to test and how to judge whether the LCD is good or bad, original or not original. In the following time, I will show you some methods. When checking the LCD, we can check by the following steps. First, let's power on the LCD and enter the main page. We can check whether colors display normally in the home page. Second, enter the page with white background color. If the LCD is good, you can see only white in this page. If you can see any other colors in this page, the LCD is not good. Third, enter the page with flat background color. If good LCD, there is nothing in this page but only black. If you can see any other color spots in this page, the LCD is bad. Fourth, test the touch function of the LCD. We can test the touch function in this way. If the touch function is good, we can move like this. If the touch function is bad, we could not move it. There are three kinds of LCD issues in the market. Now let me show you some samples. This is the black page I test LCD before. Just as I said, there should be nothing here but only black, but we can find a blue color spot here. Can you see it? If we can see any other color spots like red, yellow, or blue, that means the LCD is bad. The second one is age LCD. This issue is only found in iPhone 5 used LCD. This is the white page we test LCD. If it is good LCD, there is only white here, but you can see a red shadow here. This is not good LCD, it is age. The third one is lines on the LCD. When we power on the LCD, if you can see lines like this, the LCD is bad. These are two iPhone 5 used LCD. Both of them are original. They are from two different companies. We can find different two-dimension code here. This one is in paper, but this one is in steel. Most iPhone 5 LCD with two-dimension code in steel like this will be aged. When collecting the LCD, please take care if you find two-dimension code here is in steel. What's the difference between original iPhone 5 LCD and high copy LCD? There are three differences. The first one is the black ring here. If original LCD, there is a black ring in this place. The second one is the used sponge on the cable here. The third one is in this place. If high copy LCD, you can see a two-dimension code here directly, but for the original LCD, the two-dimension code here is covered. You could not see anything. At present, it is very difficult to say how to tell original or high copy for 4S LCD. There is no difference in the outlook, and most of used 4S LCD are aftermarket LCDs at present. The only method is to check whether there is any sponge in this place. Most of high copy 4S LCD are without sponge. If there is sponge here, it is probably original. But if there is no sponge, it is absolutely high copy.